Alright guys, we are back and today we're going to open two cards. Then this is the perfect order and two perfect order on one pack. Okay, again my name is Ed. I'm a Filipino. So you can hear also me speaking Tagalog and I hope you're gonna like this one. Alright, here we are. First thing, sana meron tayo ditong makuhang maganda-gandang hit ngayon. Like this one. Come on. Here it is. Open up. So kaya itong makukuha natin bago ngayon. Tingnan natin. Tanggalin natin itong tinatawag na game card. Okay. Alright. Siyempre, itong unang likod, ilalagay natin sa harapan para suspense. Oops, muntik na laglag. We have basic energy. Okay, ready? Here it is. We have Howlucha. We have Shink. We have Double Blade. We have Skorupi. We have Talonflame. We have Nabrin. We have Aglash. We have Rosa's Encouragement. Okay, the last, we have Crushing Hammer. Ito kaya, hit kaya to? Hit kaya? Hit it up. We have Shen Pao. That's it. Last. Wala tayong na-hit. Next is another pack of Pokemon. Alright. Sige natin kung makakapag-hit tayo ngayon. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, okay? Sa YouTube ko at saka dito ako sa aking Facebook. Hindi na rin sa akin sa TikTok. Kapag nag-go-over sa inyong channel o sa inyong pagnano, sana i-subscribe nyo sa ako at saka i-follow nyo ako sa aking channel. Alright? Okay. Here it goes again. Let's see what we have in here. Ito ang ating game card. Alright. Are we getting hit today? Alright. We have the basic energy. We have Seal. We have Shink. We have Spinarak. We have Spritzy. Bibilion. Luxio. Energy Water. We have Digger's Buy. Sana meron. Is the Hunter, di ba si Gengar to? And here it is. Tyrantium. Wala tayong hit ngayon. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye!